Today is Wednesday, May 27th, and we're still looking at global energy markets as they remain volatile, as this conflict is still causing disruptions with shipping routes. Strait of Hormuz, obviously, that we've all heard about, remains a key watch point. Any progress towards reopening the commercial shipping route would help improve market stability. Recent U.S. reserve shipments to Asia highlighted the market's ability to respond with alternative supply when traditional routes are constrained. Buyers are actively diversifying supply sources, including increased interest in barrels from the United States to other non-Middle Eastern countries. Point of note, two vessels are headed to the Philippines. The first was a Greek-flagged tanker called the Arosa, chartered by Shell, that loaded 616,000 barrels of sour crude in the Bryan, Texas SPR facility. Expected to arrive in the Philippines in early July, and a second one was loaded out of the Thunder Horse fields in the Gulf of America that is also headed to the Philippines. For customers, the main priorities right now are supply continuity, logistics, flexibility, and timely communication as market conditions evolve. We haven't seen any disruptions locally from our terminals as far as diesel is concerned that has lasted more than 24 hours here in the last couple of weeks before the next batch comes in and is released. Gas is a totally different story. We've got one terminal that put allocations out to suppliers. There are some suppliers that's been out of allocation for a week. Gas seems to be the sticking point right now. Diesel has been actually surprisingly available at this time. So as we continue to monitor geopolitical developments, freight conditions, and crude pricing to help customers evaluate options and manage risk. Uncertainty remains in the market, and continuing to adapt through supply rebalancing, reserve releases, and alternative sourcing strategies is what the U.S. is doing to, compete in the world market. So with the Memorial weekend holiday, the inventory reports have been pushed back a day. They won't be released until tomorrow. What I can tell you that as of 11:30 this morning, crude oil is down $4, trading at 89.77. Gasoline is trading down 7 cents, and heating oil at the New York Harbor is trading down 9 cents. Don't get excited about diesel trading down 9 cents as basis is up a nickel. So overall, New York Harbor base pricing is only down 4. So with that, thank you for joining us for today's energy experience powered by Ag Valley Co-op, and we'll see you next time.